Silver and gold prices have been hammered lately. You're looking here at silver prices, and we had a very nice inverse initials pattern, and the break to this level here of around 24.87 suggests that we can go all the way up to the highs here seen in summer of 2021. Instead, silver prices have dropped with about 8.88% from their highs here in October. So why is it like that? Well, because inflation is way too high and the Federal Reserve has started to become more aggressive, looking to taper more aggressively, and also raise interest rates earlier than expected. And that has caused the dollar to gain massively. We talked about a bearish cup and handle in GBP/USD. We also talked about Euro USD potentially trading much lower for quite a while here on this channel. Now, what's the next then for gold and silver? Well, as long as the Fed continues to taper and raise interest rates by next year, then unfortunately gold and silver prices will remain under pressure. But there's still a chance, for example, that the Fed loses the battle against inflation in the short term, and that causes people to go back and buy gold and silver. Now, gold and silver are around support levels, and in particular, silver prices I think are the most interesting right now because we're just above this little low here. As well, if you look at Euro USD, slightly oversold as well, which makes me think that maybe we can have a bit of a bounce. But I wouldn't go out and buy Euro USD. If anything, we could potentially give this a try, but it would be on just a small little move, maybe up to 24, maximum I would say $24.60. As for gold prices, unfortunately, the way they look, it looks like the prices are back in this big range here and that we're going to be stuck for many weeks to come.